Hey, quiero que no nos pare y que siga brincando. Yamilet, mi amor, Yamilet se marchó. Nada controla mi corazón. Yamilet, mi amor, me robó el corazón. Hey, men, es mi grande, mi dolor y ten piedad. Por favor, regresa, Yamilet. Quien espera aquí por siempre yo estaré. Te pido por favor.
S2K swap, Honda, Suzuki Samurai.
I'm scared, bro.
I want a Corolla. Oh, it's got the wheels I want for the CRV. Bro, the wheels I want for the CRV. Jeep's here. Humboldt Park Jeep. Yo, it's the same Bronco I seen earlier. God damn. Odyssey. Look, we got a Hellcat here. Nice truck, dude. F-150. Nice truck. Honda Accord. We got a Mitsubishi Lancer. He's 40 on your system. Playing one of my songs. One of the songs that we play.
The team there, but there's nobody else.
Eagles. That's that tomato. That's for part 2, bro. You got the Grand Happy. Parsian? How do you say that? Parsian? What is it? Rayon. This thing's on. I don't know what these wheels are, but that's pretty dope. Dope ass. Yo, that thing's got ITBs in here, bruh. Nah, S2K swap Suzuki Samurai, chat. Vortex. Nah, Chevy Impala. SS. Got a Caprice or whatever it's called. Monte Carlo. That's a Model 3. Got a Ford Anglia. Just don't copyright my videos, bro. Don't copyright my freaking videos. DJ crap. Bro, I wanna make this. That really that is AE86, bro. What the cody? Over there. Got the Impalas here. Got the Impala SS. One of the cars my mom wants. Mom, if you're watching this, one day I'm gonna get you one. I'm gonna film these Cutlass, no matter what. Cutlass Supreme. It's got a 4G auto steering wheel and chat. Can you tell me what this thing is? Is this an e-brake or this is a gear? Got some Impalas here. Alright. Oh, the show. None other than Yarlin Racing.
Hi guys, how you doing? God bless.
He's the driver of the 1984 Mazda RX-7 FB3S. And he's the one that drives the RX-7.
And my son, we both do.
Oh, Chris Ray drives it for real?
No, that's not my son. No.
Oh.
Yeah, you'll meet him. He's gonna come in a little while.
All right.
Chris is, he's like a son to me. He's a friend, a good friend.
He's a friend of yours.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
good friend. Yeah, so. All right. So.
Catch you soon.
Good. God bless. Keep up the good work, kid.
Thank you, man.
All right.
Like, This is a really good car show, crying out loud. I'm not gonna lie, pretty good car show. I never got to film over here. That, bro, I knew he was gonna tell him, bro. I knew he was gonna tell. Nah. Of course he was gonna tell him, bro. Dude, I want to know whose car is this is. So nah, I'm on our stream right now. I got the Venza here. Yeah, guys, like that's just what I stream on, bro. Like I stream on cars, bikes, whatever you got, bro. I'll be streaming on whatever. I'm not gonna lie though. I don't come here a lot. Me, my dad, sometimes my mom come here for the show. But I'm just glad to have my CRV. I'm grateful to all of you. I'm thankful for all of you guys. I appreciate you all watching. So it's like I always say, like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow on TikTok and Snap. I would say that. At least it stopped raining. That's good. So yeah, this is a really good car, man. I'm not gonna lie. Scion TC with purple Verde rims. I don't know what these are, but if they do, like I gotta meet them. Pretty dope ass. Oh, excuse my language. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. It's a Nissan Altima Maxima. No, not Maxima Step. Dang, bro, if you guys can see that, it's got LED lights under the wheels. That's pretty sick. That's awesome. Hey, that's your monkey's bag. What the frick? What's he doing over here? Over here, man. Not gonna lie, pretty good car show. I hope they keep on hosting car shows like this. Ultra lens. Okay. Oh, you can actually use the Ultra one. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. You're good. Yeah, this.
olvido de ella y ella me cambió por una moneda. Hoy quiere volver, mejor que no vuelva, porque ya no quiero saber de su vida. Recuerda tus besos, solo me lastiman. A través del barrio la sigo viendo, porque como un loco la sigo queriendo, la sigo queriendo. Cántale bonito, Fabián.
Y yo recuerdo tu amor, ay como lo que fue muy grande, me diste todo de ti, nunca yo podré olvidarte, y anhelo volverte a encontrar, para vivir nuestro amor de ayer, porque diste a mi vida la felicidad, cuando te besé por primera vez, y nadie te logró con todas sus mentiras, separarte de mí, destrozando mi vida, y hoy le pido yo a Dios, volverte a encontrar, porque nos merecemos otra oportunidad, para irnos bien lejos, y podernos amar, donde la gente mala no nos puede encontrar, y amarte sin fin, porque nunca podrán separarte de mí, y amarte sin fin, porque nunca podrán separarte de mí, mi amor, siento que te está dentro de mi piel, siento que te quiero porque no se puede ver, ese amor inmenso que está dentro de mi piel, amor.
Yo, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Bro, I didn't get to the point. Bravo. Do that crap again, bro. Do that crap again. He takes the win. He takes the win. He takes the freaking win, bro. Yo, how'd you do that? Oh, he got the instrument. I recorded it too. Yeah? You should win first place for that, bro. You got speakers in it flying out loud, bro. I gotta record this crap.